Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Just boil some egg, 15 minutes to 18 minutes give you a perfect boiled egg. 12 minutes do give you a runny egg. 10 minutes also give you a runny egg. 13 to 14 minutes give you a little bit all yolk. So tune in to my show. Thank you so much. I just make boil some eggs. I say guys, you can use it for different things in the Halloween coming up and all different kind of stuff what you want to do with your eggs. You can do with it. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We are there for you with the best recipe and ideas. Tips from Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much. To be in the kitchen. Anyway, that's a quick one to tell you what's going on today. This is 15 eggs right here. Basically, I'm going to show you how you can boil 15 eggs for your Halloween or what you want to do with them at home and also for your own purpose. So you get a medium sized pot like this, and I'm gonna simply pop my eggs in it like this. And the best is to cook the egg them at a room temperature. You know what I mean? Sometimes it's just good to take them from the fridge, and when you take them from the fridge, simple, put them down for about a nice good 15 minutes or one good 10 minutes as room temperature. Alright, then basically what you need to do is fill it with some water. So as you can see, the water is way over the egg. So we're gonna boil the egg for roughly 18 minutes. Alright, not 18, 18 minutes on a medium size heat. And I know you guys will love it. And the thing is, you can do this with anything when you cook this egg at home. You can do them. You can have an egg in the morning for your breakfast, and also you can do any little bits and pieces what you want to do with these eggs. All right, guys, enjoy. And as I said, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. So we're gonna boil these eggs for 18 minutes, 18 minutes at least. Nice and lovely. So guys, right here as you can see, the egg them start boil and them soon finish. It's roughly 12 minutes gone now at the moment. So we're gonna wait till about 18 minutes before we go any further and take them off. Alright? Enjoy it. Nice and lovely. So now this is finished. So basically what we're going to do is pour out the water, cool them down for a nice good 10 minutes, and then we're gonna remove the shell from it. So enjoy it, guys, and I'm gonna pour them off now. Alright? Enjoy it. Perfect boiled egg, guys. This is just amazing. Just finished boiling, and look at this. Alright, that's exactly what we're talking about, a perfect boiled egg at home. When you do a perfect boiled egg, it is amazing to know what you can do with a perfect boiled egg. And look at those eggs, really nice and beautiful, and I know you guys will like this one. And I want to say egg is good for helping and you're losing weight, and I'll say if you eat egg every day, you know what I mean, but egg is really good. So guys, enjoy it and subscribe, leave your comments below. And this is a perfect boiled egg from Chef Ricardo on the team. See you next time. Bye bye.